Hello everyone, welcome to this mindfulness moment. Today we are going to take a brief pause to relax, breathe deeply and reconnect with ourselves. Please sit comfortably with your feet flat on the ground, back straight, and allow your hands to rest gently on your lap. Let's begin by turning our focus inward. Close your eyes and place your attention on your breath. Now slowly breathe in as we count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Imagine drawing in fresh, calming energy. Hold this breath gently for a count of 4. 3, 2, 1. Letting that calm settle in your body, then breathe out slowly to the count of 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Releasing any tension with your exhale. Let's repeat this cycle 2 more times. With each breath in, silently remind yourself, I am special, I am loved. With each breath out, feel yourself releasing stress and negativity. Let's breathe in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out slowly to the count of 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Releasing any tension with your exhale. As you breathe in, remember that you are special. You are loved. With each breath out, feel yourself releasing stress and negativity. As you continue these deep breaths, listen to the soft music in the background. Let its gentle rhythm guide you into a state of peace. Now bring your mind to positive images, the beauty of nature, the quiet countryside, and even ancient cities overlooking lush valleys. Imagine the warmth and wonder of these sights and feel gratitude for the beauty around you. Know that just as these images are diverse and captivating, so are you. Everyone, including you, is filled with unique beauty, strength, and potential. Take a moment now to embrace these feelings of calm and connection. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining this mindfulness practice. Carry this sense of peace and appreciation with you throughout your day.